While other countries take decades to approve a single infrastructure project, China builds mega projects at a speed that seems to defy all logic. Their engineering achievements are redefining what we once thought was possible, and this is causing real shock in the United States. From bridges that literally rise into the clouds to entire cities that can think for themselves, the country is creating structures that once seemed impossible. What you are about to see is not a collection of futuristic concepts. These are real constructions that already exist. In this video, we will explore the 8 most impressive mega projects that China has built so far. And I can tell you now, when you reach Astos number 1, you will understand why the entire world is talking about these extraordinary achievements of Chinese engineering. Number 8, the underground Pentagon, about 30 kilometers. From Beijing, beneath the surface of the Chirij area, hundreds of cranes have been working non-stop since 2023. There are no signs, no visible civilian activity, and no drones allowed to fly over the zone. Only excavators, displaced soil, and a heavily guarded perimeter. According to many experts, what is being built here is one of China's most ambitious secret military projects, the so-called underground Pentagon. This enormous complex could potentially be 60 times larger than the United States military headquarters. It is designed to withstand every type of attack, from cyber strikes to bombings and even nuclear assaults. Its geopolitical impact has not gone unnoticed. The United States, Japan, South Korea, India, and Taiwan have all grown increasingly nervous about the progress of this facility. China neither confirms nor denies anything. They only repeat the same statement: everything being built is defensive. But when a nation buries its military brain beneath a mountain, the real question is no longer whether it is preparing for war, but rather what kind of future it is anticipating. Number 7, South-North Water Transfer Project. China faced a massive problem. The southern region had abundant water, while the northern region suffered from chronic droughts. The solution they created was so bold that it almost sounds impossible. Move the equivalent of entire oceans of water across the country. The South-North Water Transfer Project is the most ambitious water engineering project in human history. With an investment of $10,000 million, the system stretches for more than 14,000 kilometers, the same as building an artificial river from Beijing all the way to Egypt. It includes aqueducts that extend for 9 kilometers without touching the ground, elevated water bridges that cross over rivers, and underground tunnels that pass beneath other rivers. It is as if China created an artificial circulatory system for an entire nation. Every year, more than 10,000 million cubic meters of water flow toward the north, supplying 170 million people across 44 cities. To make this possible, 400,000 people were relocated. Today, this fully automated system moves through 8 provinces like a giant video game controlled by artificial intelligence. Number 6, FAST, the Chinese eye of the sky. Hidden deep in the mountains of Guizhou, China built a giant ear to listen to the cosmos, the FAST radio telescope, known as the eye of the Chinese sky. With a diameter of 500 meters, it covers an area equivalent to 30 football fields. Its sensitivity is 2.5 times greater than the former Arecibo Observatory in the United States. FAST can detect electromagnetic signals that are 13.7 thousand million years old, essentially listening to the echo of the Big Bang. Its precision is almost supernatural. 4,450 individual panels move together with millimeter-level accuracy to track celestial objects. It is like watching a cosmic dance where every piece must move in perfect synchronization with no margin for error. And here is the truly chilling part. FAST could be the first instrument capable of detecting signals from extraterrestrial civilizations. Its applications range from the search for exoplanets to the study of dark matter. To prevent interference, 9,000 people from nearby villages were relocated. While you watch this video, FAST may already be receiving a signal that could change our understanding of the universe forever. Number 5, the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge. Get ready to discover what many engineers consider the 8th wonder of the world. The Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge, stretching 55 kilometers, is the longest sea bridge on the planet. But the true magic lies underwater. A 6.7-kilometer underwater tunnel was built with the precision of less than 5 millimeters. Engineers connected 33 giant segments, each the size of an 8-story building and weighing 80,000 tons, all fitted together beneath the sea with millimeter accuracy. The process was like performing brain surgery at the bottom of the ocean during a storm. A single mistake could have been catastrophic. During construction, Chinese engineers developed more than 1,000 technological patents. This bridge can withstand Category 16 hurricanes, magnitude 8 earthquakes, and the impact of a 300,000-ton ship. Its projected life lifespan is 120 years. When American engineers examined the project, one reportedly said, "It is as if the Chinese captured extraterrestrials to do this." This bridge does not only connect cities, it connects the future with the present. Number 4, the Sky Mini City. Now we reach something that defies all logic. In the city of Changsha, an event took place that redefined the meaning of impossible. A 57-story skyscraper was completed in just 19 days. That is not a mistake. 19 days. This building, called the Sky Mini City, rises 200 meters high with a total area of 180,000 square meters. And it was not built with traditional bricks and cement. Instead, engineers used revolutionary modular technology. 2,736 prefabricated modules assembled like gigantic Lego blocks. The construction speed reached 3 full floors per day. Imagine this. While you slept, had breakfast, and went to work, workers had already completed 3 new floors of a skyscraper. It is as if they hacked the laws of time. Even more astonishing, the structure can withstand magnitude 9 earthquakes and meets safety standards higher than conventional buildings. This factory-made plus on-site assembly method not only increased speed dramatically, but also reduced energy consumption and construction waste. This incredible achievement shows the world what Chinese speed and Chinese innovation truly mean. Number 3, the Oil Island. The Zhoushan Oil Island is one of China's most strategically important infrastructures, created to strengthen the nation's energy security in a world where the global oil market can shift overnight. This massive base has a storage capacity of approximately 5,000 million cubic meters, equal to nearly 30,000 barrels of crude oil. It contains 55 giant storage tanks. One of these tanks, standing 23 meters tall, can hold an amount of oil comparable to 40 Olympic-sized swimming pools. The port facilities are built to accommodate large, deep-water oil tankers. It also features 3 transfer arms capable of unloading up to 9,000 cubic meters of crude oil per hour. It is as if China created an artificial heart that pumps the nation's vital fuel supply. Construction of this enormous complex cost between 1,000 million and 16,600 million US dollars, and it forms a crucial part of China's National Strategic Petroleum Reserve Plan. This is not just a storage facility. It is an energy shield that protects China from global supply crises. While other nations struggle when fuel shortages hit, China has its own underground ocean of oil ready and waiting. Number 2, the Baiyatan hydroelectric power station. In the heart of China, where the Jinsha River winds like an ancient dragon, rises one of the most complex engineering structures ever created, the Baiyatan hydroelectric power station. This colossal machine of concrete and steel is often called the lung of the earth. Inside it are 16 giant turbines, each with a capacity of 1 million kilowatts. But here is what will truly take your breath away. Each turbine, weighing 338 tons, was installed with a precision of 0.2 millimeters, 5 times thinner than a human hair. The power capacity is immense, 16 million kilowatts, second only to the famous Three Gorges Dam, which is also located in China. Every year, the Baiyatan station can replace 48 million tons of coal and prevent 130 million tons of carbon dioxide emissions. What makes this project even more astonishing is the technology behind it. The entire system operates using 30,000 hydroelectric standards, more than 400 technological innovations, high-temperature insulation materials, superconducting generators, and dynamic 3-dimensional simulations. It is as if China created an artificial ecosystem, one that breathes, thinks, and regulates itself. This power station does not only generate electricity, it generates the future of China's energy independence. Number 1, the smart city of Xiong'an. On the plains of Hebei, where there were once only empty fields, a city has risen that looks like it came straight out of a science fiction movie, the Xiong'an Smart City. This futuristic metropolis, costing 95,000 million US dollars, was built entirely from scratch in only 7 years. More than 3,000 buildings emerged from what used to be open land. But the most astonishing feature is its thinking roads. These intelligent streets, powered by 5G networks and IoT sensors, monitor traffic in real time. They automatically calculate the fastest routes for emergency vehicles. Imagine this: an ambulance can receive every single green light on its way to the hospital, as if the city itself were working to save lives. This is not science fiction. This is happening right now. Beneath the surface lies a complete underground system for transportation and utilities. It functions like the nervous system of a massive living organism. This hidden network integrates metro lines, high-speed rail, water systems, electrical grids, and 5G communication networks, all woven together into one gigantic smart ecosystem. While many countries are still debating whether to build, China is already focused on how to build better. This difference may define the global race toward the future. Xiong'an is not just a city. It is the prototype of how humanity may live tomorrow. China is not simply constructing mega projects. It is redefining the limits of what human beings can achieve. Every structure you have just heard about is a step toward a future we can barely imagine. What do you think about these projects? Are we witnessing the birth of a new era in engineering? Share your thoughts in the comments, and do not forget to subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one.